Hi, I'm Stacey. This is Serve It Home Edition. We're making sea bass with a tomato scallion ginger topping. A really beautiful, flavorful dish on your table in about 20 minutes. I love sea bass because it's meaty, it's mild, and it takes up the flavors that you cook with it so well. I'm using Australia's center cut barramundi sea bass. These come individually wrapped, easy to pull out of the freezer when you need them. Then you're gonna need some cherry or grape tomatoes. Have them. I prefer using a serrated bread knife because it easily cuts through the skin without crushing the tomato. Ginger, garlic, scallions. Only use the light green and the white parts for the sauteing. Those darker greens, use that to finish off the dish. Butter and lemon. Let's get started cooking. Take a medium to large saute pan, place it over medium heat and start melting the butter. You don't want to brown the butter, you just want to get it nice and creamy. Take your garlic and your ginger, saute that for about 45 seconds, just until it's fragrant. Take the scallions that we thinly sliced, add in our cherry tomatoes, still over the medium heat to get them to start breaking down. Just take a little bit of kosher salt and pinch that over top. You're gonna saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes again. While the tomatoes are breaking down, it's time to salt and pepper the fish. Just take your fillets, and depending on the size of your pan, you may have to do this 2 at a time, but I'm gonna get all 4 of these nestled in. We're gonna cover this, reduce the heat to low, and cook this about another 6 to 8 minutes, depending on how thick your fillets are. You'll know when it's done, when the fish is all white and opaque looking. Time to serve this. Just be careful when you lift it out of the pan because it will be flaky. Some of the fillets might fall apart, but that's okay. And what you definitely want to do is spoon some of this beautiful sauce right over top. Little squeeze of fresh lemon, and then you can top it off with a little bit of the more green scallion, or if you want, use some chopped parsley or chopped cilantro, and you have an elegant fish meal.